Hey, so if your progress or settings in LDPlayer aren't saving, yeah, that can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes to make sure your data saves properly and doesn't disappear. First, make sure your game is actually linked to an account. If you're playing as a guest, your progress might not be saved properly. Next, log into your Google account inside the emulator and turn on sync. That helps keep your data backed up. If you're using any cleanup tools or auto-clear features, turn those off. They can delete app data without you realizing it. Go into app permissions and make sure storage access is enabled. Without it, the game can't save data properly. Don't force close the emulator right after playing. Give it a few seconds to save data before exiting. Sometimes Windows blocks file saving. Try running LDPlayer as administrator to fix permission issues. If your storage is full, new data won't save. Make sure you have enough free space on your drive. If nothing works, reinstall LDPlayer or use the repair option. This can fix corrupted system files. And yeah, before making big changes, back up your data using built-in tools or cloud sync. So yeah, that's how you fix the data not saving problem in LDPlayer. Once everything is set up properly, your progress should stay safe.